चलो कहाँ जाना है?
निंजा को।
निंजा चलो।
सरप्राइज हो रहा है, हम लोग ने बुर्ज खलीफा नहीं दिखा है।
This is same like
roller coaster.
mini Millionaire USA.
Mommy. Oh, okay.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं? डुप्लो वैली।
हाँ, डुप्लो वैली जा रहे हैं।
डुप्लो वैली जा रहे हैं हम लोग। अच्छा।
डुप्लो वैली के बाद
हाँ
हम लोग
You like Miniland?
Kinda.
Once again, the key to the oncoming finale is now closed.
अरे क्या बना रही है?
इंडिया का चंद्रयान।
इंडिया का चंद्रयान। ये क्या बनाई है?
गड्डी गड्डी। मैंने बनाया मेरा चंद्रयान। तू क्या बना रहा है जॉनस?
So I'm making out of a rocket and these are
मैंने मेरी गाड़ी बनाया, गाड़ी रोबोट गाड़ी।
हाँ नसीम क्या बनाया? रॉबर्ट कार।
Mom, now this is the biggest platform ever.
प्लेटफॉर्म।
Yeah.
Wow, my car makes everything.
क्यों तंग कर रहे हो नसीम? Junior, you broke Dada's car.
You see this?
हाँ।
See, right? How many seconds? How many seconds?
50. You're good.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, let's go. Junior. Junior, let's go.
It's a messed up and the rocket just moved. I made it rocket. I do a broken rocket. I need two more of these. I built another one with bow.
Give it. Nice. Chale?
You're going without us.
They're going. आइसक्रीम खा रहा रेड पे
Stop! No! Alright, I thought we were gonna go fast. Now this is fun. Go faster.
No, I don't want to go fast.
Yes.
Eat your ice cream. Who eat ice cream on the ride?
Jonas
And
and Data.
and
Me
okay.
and other people. Where is this big goat? I keep on hearing a goat sound. Where's the goat? Oh, the goat's on that hill. Hey! Jonas! Hello! L for you too! I ain't no fun for that trick again! I'm gonna go for a little bit more.
How was your ride?
Jonas, let's stand there. Jonas, come here.
So much. By 1951, Ferrari won the Formula One World Championship race at the British Grand Prix.
You make all this? Really?
This one was entirely random.
Julian, let me see your car.
I cannot make that
Oh. Oops.
And here's my go-karts.
Okay, let's go. Let's race.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, Jonas win. Ready?
Ready? 3.
2.
1, 2, 3, go!
I won again.
You want again? Come. No, sir, I'm late. Again, let's go. Sorry. Go.
Come, let's go.
Paddington is only short. Yeah, that's now, though. That's now.
What are you getting?
Water.
Yes! Go! Too easy. Let's go. Orange juice?
Zero calories. Zero sugar.
Fanta.
Zero sugar.
Fanta, zero sugar.
Can I try some?
No.
Please?
ले लेगी
East Bounty. Please remain seated at all times, keeping arms and legs inside the boat. Your safety checks are complete and you are secure. Now prepare for the voyage ahead.
Ninja, your ride is now coming to an end. Please remain seated until Destiny's Bounty has come to a complete stop and your lap bar is released.
How was the ride?
Ride awesome.
That was dizzy. Not even fun at all. Excuse me.
30 pound.
दिस इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी शॉकिंग क्योंकि यहाँ पर पानी बहुत महंगा है और कोल्ड ड्रिंक बहुत सस्ती है। कोक तो बहुत ही सस्ती है और पानी बड़ा महंगा है यहाँ पर।
Wow.